Okay, these are gonna be the service elevators at the Sheraton Hotel, Niagara Falls, New York. And look at this.
I got a black button.
Original black button Otis. Look at this. Go to 6.
Oh, this is epic.
Six. Let's go down to B. Look at this cab. Judging by the indicator, I'd assume this is probably a 70s installation. Maybe late 60s. Here on B. You want to send it up to 6?
Yep.
Alright, listen to the motor cut off at the top.
Let's get off at this floor.
Yeah, let's get off at 5. That's where we entered.
Okay. Nice.
We'll get off at 5.
Cab view. Epic.
Indeed. Here we are. And we'll watch it go.
There it goes. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed.